What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today we are continuing our series on how to make a submarine simulator in Scratch. Today we will and the death of the sharks. So this is what we are going to be making today. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are from last time. And in order to do this bullet thing, we are going to create a new sprite. We're going to call this sprite Bullets. And I have a costume for my backpack over here. It's just a simple dot from bitmap at the bitmap editor. And let's get coding. When the green flag is clicked, we are going to hide. So it's off screen. And in our player, we'll do a when I receive play game. We are going to do a forever loop, and we're going to check if key space is pressed. If key space is pressed, we want to create a clone of bullets, and we are going to wait 0.1 seconds. And in our bullet sprite, we'll do a when I started as a clone. We're going to get a forever loop under. Actually, we're going to put a forever loop on the when green flag is clicked, and forever we're going to go to player and point in direction. Go to sensing and get this block. Change this to player and change this to direction. So point in direction, direction of player. And when I start as a clone, we're going to show. And we're going to go to back layer so it doesn't go in front of the player. And we're going to get a repeat until loop. And we're going to repeat until touching edge. We're going to move 10 steps. After all of that, we're going to delete this clone. Next, let's get another when I start as a clone. We're going to do a forever if touching sharks. So we want the sharks to die. So if touching sharks, then we want to wait 0 seconds. Make sure we put that in and put a delete this clone. Next, we will drag in this code. And we're going to put this all the way down here. But instead, we're going to change this to bullets. And we're going to set our brightness effect to 30. Okay. So, let's test this thing out over here. If I press the space bar, oh yeah, we're touching the edge, so you want to make sure you're not touching the edge when you do this. Okay, now it works. So it changes the brightness effect a little bit, and the bullets move and delete. So the next thing I want to add is WASD keys. So let's get an OR statement, and we'll put this over here. If key up arrow is pressed or key W is pressed, like that. And we'll do another one of those, put an OR. If key down arrow is pressed or key S is pressed. And we'll put that inside the if statement. And same with these over here. Get an OR and put this, and we'll change key right arrow is D and left arrow is A. So we'll put this over here, and we'll put this over here. So it's like A. Okay. So now, let's make a custom block. We will call this block movement. And we're going to add an input boolean called up, another one called down, another one called left, another one called right, and then click OK. So we're going to put all this code over here, and we're going to put our movement block over here. So in here it says up, so we're going to drag this over here and drag this over here. Then next it says down, so we're going to put this over here. And then put this over here. And same with these. So you put this all the way over here. And we'll put this right there. Actually, we need to put this over here because here is left. So just dragging the left, which is over here, and you might need to zoom out a little bit to get those booleans in. And put this over here. Okay, so what this is basically doing is putting this into another custom block, so it looks not a lot neater. And it's basically doing the same thing. Instead, we use WASD keys. So you can use WASD keys and the arrow keys if you want. So that was all for today. It was a very short tutorial. We did our bullets, we did our sharks dying, and we added some WASD keys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.